Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off live caption function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our live caption options? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu here. Next in hearing enhancements, at the top we have live caption. As you can see, now this option is turned on. By default it's turned off. We have a few options here. For example, we can change language, we can show or hide profanities, etc. We have quite a few options here, but we are interested in turning it off as a whole. So now our live caption function is turned off. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.